Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a microfiber windshield cleaner. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this microfiber windshield cleaner, okay? Now you can use this for household use as well. You can use it to clean windows and stuff like that. It's a really useful tool, but its main purpose is to clean the interior portion of a windshield of a car. And I'll tell you why, okay? It's really hard to reach down there in some vehicles, this one included, and clean that part of the windshield. If you have a smaller vehicle that also is lower to the ground or has a sportier look to it with a more aggressive windshield angle, it's even more difficult to clean there, okay? It's even more tight. It's even tighter down there. Now, with that being said, this actually does a great job at allowing you to clean it. I'll show you how to use it, and then I'll tell you what you can do, like what products you can add to it. So you want to hold it like this. This is the best way because it allows you to have an ergonomic grip. I'll show you. There we go. You're holding it like that. It allows you to have the ergonomic grip, and you want the angle to follow the windshield. So the angle of this right here is following the angle of the windshield, okay? And this usually swivels back and forth, but usually you're gonna make it, facing the windshield. And the angle of that is gonna follow the windshield. What you're gonna do is swipe down, all the way down there, and then back up. Down, all the way down there, and then back up. So you're gonna work your way across, okay? Just like that. Just like that, okay? And you can also use it for here. Now, for here, you can actually also use just a regular, like, paper towel because you can reach here. But because this is microfiber, it just makes it so much easier to clean. So I end up using this for up here as well, okay? So for myself, because I film a lot of videos in the car, I always have these circular camera mount marks on the windshield. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a couple over here and there's tons over here. And on the sunroof and stuff like that. This allows me to get rid of those easily. Now, what I recommend is that you do use a cleaner with this. You can use it just like this, and it will clean your windshield like this, but it's not gonna make it spotless. It's not gonna make it super clean. What you wanna do is you wanna get like a glass cleaner, let's say. I, for instance, use like Windex, a glass cleaner. Now you can get, there's automotive ones, yes. But I mean, in my opinion, glass is glass, and you could probably use a regular glass cleaner, okay? And I would just put a little bit of glass cleaner, spray a little bit of glass cleaner on the windshield. Then I would use this microfiber cloth, which is what I do, and I just use it to clean. Sometimes I have to do 2 passes because the layer of film that is built up on the windshield is quite substantial. Other times, just 1 pass is enough. And it literally, like, you just you spray it on, you give this a little movement like that, across the whole windshield, and it takes maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes to clean your windshield. And it is super clean. It allows you to see through it properly, and it just allows you to be in a better driving environment overall. That's basically it. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial on how to use a microfiber windshield cleaner just like this one. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.